of Milwaukee. That's at 9350 West Fond du Lac Avenue.
Christmas tree lights can be a real struggle, especially if one bulb is burned out and it ruins the whole string. Well, how do you know what bulb has gone bad? Now, before you go out and buy a new set of lights, the Lightkeeper Pro says it's the fix. Tonight, Katrina Cravey puts it to the Contact 6 test.
Just plug, click, and fix. The Lightkeeper Pro says for nearly $15, it can save your burned out Christmas lights, a problem Rob Adrian knows well.
I've come to the point where the lights just burn out after, like, it almost seems like one use, so we're just used to just throwing them out and then just going and buying new lights every year.
But not anymore. At least not if the Lightkeeper Pro delivers on its promise. Be a real man and do what you would normally do.
Okay, I'll basically just throw this out.
But we quickly learned we need the directions because this device is somewhat complicated.
There's a little
okay,
plug-in.
So you just plug it in right there.
Plus, it has places to test bulbs, and if you run it over the light strand, it's like a metal detector, except it's supposed to detect voltage and locate any circuit interruptions pointing to the bad bulb. We don't hear a difference.
But that doesn't make sense because the source of the electricity is closer to where the lights are not lit.
At this point, we're frustrated, and photojournalist Andy Conkle has to take a look at the directions. We decide Rob needs to test each bulb on the strand. With Rob's daughter Athena and me cheering him on, go. It takes so long taking one out, testing it, putting it back, doing another one. And in the end, all of them worked. We never found the bad one. Rob just wants to buy a new strand.
I don't think I'd spend this much time doing this, no.
Other people have told me it works great, but Rob and I aren't fans. The best thing about this product test is the coffee and the people. I'm Katrina Cravey, Contact 6.
You do not want to frustrate photojournalist Andy Conkle.
No, I think he's still back at that house going through them one by one. The deck looks all wintry out there.
It does. All we need is a little covering of snow,
Right.
right? That would make it a little bit more festive out here for the holiday season. A lot of snow fans are ready for it, and especially a lot of folks just want to get into the holiday spirit. It's like we need a little bit, and there is the possibility on Thursday that we could see some accumulating snow that actually could come down in a hurry and could cause some travel issues, but that's still a long way off, and we're just basing that on some of the long-range computer models. So a long way to go between now and Thursday and where the exact storm track will be. We can tell you that in the near term, we stay warmer than average. What else is new? That's part of our weather headlines here. For the next couple of days, it's right where we left off this weekend. Warmer than average.